Nature often teaches us about sacrifice, tenderness, motherhood. But what happens when nature loses its own child? What if it steals another's? Or worse, sees it as a threat and eliminates it? Today, we step into the shadows of motherhood, where instincts are not always gentle. The cuckoo, master of deception. The cuckoo bird never builds a nest. It refuses to raise its own young. Instead, it sneaks into another bird's nest and lays its egg in secret. That egg hatches before the others, and the chick, blind, featherless, pushes the rival eggs out of the nest, one by one. The host bird, unaware. It feeds the intruder like its own. In nature, sometimes, deception wins. Monkey mothers and baby snatchers. Primates, the creatures most like us. They love their babies. But sometimes, envy takes over instinct. A female without a baby might steal the infant of another. Sometimes she carries it gently. Other times she causes harm. The pain of not being a mother becomes a silent rage. But nature doesn't care for motives, only outcomes. Predators of the cradle, raccoons and hyenas. Raccoons lurk in the night, slinking through shadows, not to raise a young one, but to destroy it. Every baby is a future competitor, and in nature, competition is cruel. Survival favors the ruthless, not the kind. What does science say? Scientists call this brood parasitism, a tactic to save energy, a shortcut to genetic success. Motherhood is not always love. Sometimes it's strategy. When a creature loses its own, its eyes may turn toward another nest. Is this evil, or just another way to survive? Nature does not judge. It simply rewards what works. So tell us, is motherhood instinct, or is it a calculated plan? Let us know in the comments.